resumed. Around 2 months ago, nilabas ko po sa hearing ang connection ni Guo Huaping sa grupo ni Michael Yang. Kung matatandaan natin, si Hong Jiangyang na nakababatang kapatid ni Michael Yang ay may joint account sa isa sa mga kasosyo ni Guo Huaping sa negosyo, si Yu Zhengkan. A few days ago, nahuli ng mga opisyales ng Bureau of Immigration si Yang Jianxin alias Tony Yang, ang nakatatandang kapatid ni Michael Yang. Michael Yang has previously denied any connection with illegal pogos, but it seems his elder brother has dipped his hands in pogo and scam money as well. A pogo associated with Tony Yang, Oro One Corporation, lists him as president. Ito po yung SEC document ng Oro One. Itong Oro One ay service provider ng Shonway. At ito naman po yung registration ng Pagcor Oro One bilang service provider ng Shonway Technology Inc. Shonway na alam natin na binaliktad na pangalan ni Lin Weixion, alias Alan Lim ng Pharmally. Ang email naman ng Shonway, ginagamit ng isa pang pogo, Brick Hearts, na ang papeles ay nakita sa Bamban. Mukhang iisang network o iisang one big happy Pharmally lang talaga ito. Tagal na natin nababalitaan si Michael Yang. Ang katotohanan ay bagamat mas kilala si Michael, si Tony ang sinasabing totoong architect ng operations ng mga Yang. Mamaya po sa aking pagtatanong, mas palalalimin ko pa ang mga koneksyon ni Tony Yang, Guo Huaping, Mayor Dong Kalugay sa isa't isa at sa iba pang mga persons of interest. I also wish to surface other areas of concern. Halimbawa po, nabatid namin na ang Homalig Island sa Quezon Province ay mistulang playground ng mga Bamban pogo bosses at posible din na pinagtaguan ni Guo Huaping. Ang co-accused niya na si Yang Bin ay may family link sa mismong nakaupong pamunuan ng Homalig. Titiyakin natin na managot ang dapat managot at ang mga polisiya natin ay di ganito kadaling paglaruan. As our hearings draw to a close, sa palagay ko ay mahalaga ding balikan kung bakit natin ito ginagawa at para kanino. Sa gitna ng mga seryosong usaping, Cassandra Ong at iba pa, may love angle, may pakilig, may paawa effect pa. It is important to sift through the noise and remember what this hearing has always been about. Human beings forced to work as slaves and the ineptitude of Philippine law and government to prevent it. Inaalipin, sinasaktan, at inaabuso habang nagpapayaman ang mga katulad nila Guo Huaping and their criminal enterprise. This is front and center of our investigation. This blatant abuse of our institutions must stop. These human trafficking activities must stop. These money laundering activities must stop. Buwagin natin ang mga sindikatong ito. Sa araw na ito ay ihahain ang sabina laban kay Guo Huaping alias Alice Guo, Zhang Mier alias Sheila Guo, at Cassandra Leong. Haharap kayo sa hatol ng batas. Sheila Guo, the Senate's contempt order on you is lifted, and I direct the OSAA to transfer your custody to the Bureau of Immigration, pursuant to the mission order issued by the Bureau against you. May I ask the committee secretary momentarily to acknowledge the resource persons and administer the oath to those who haven't taken it yet. Nung nakaraan pong hearing, sinabi natin na magtatanong ang mga hindi pa nakatanong nung nakaraan. Pagkatapos ng chair at pagkatapos ng ating Senate official, ito ay sina Senator Villanueva, ito ay sina Senator